You already know. Welcome to my channel. Here we do blogs, DIY videos, cooking videos, mukbangs, food challenges, and more. So come over to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell. Comment below. Hit that like button. And yes, thank you for coming.
Hey you all, welcome to my channel. My name is LaTanya, and on my channel I do a lot of things such as mommy vlogs, day in the life videos, cook with me, clean with me, you name it. If this is content you're interested in, I would love for you to come over and check out my channel as soon as Steph's video is finished. And please leave me a comment down below in my comment section so I can greet you and welcome you to my family. See you soon. Bye.
I am doing a collaboration with This is LaTanya Yvette. You guys follow her on YouTube. Go to her channel and watch the replay if you guys missed the video. She did a chicken chili, and I'm doing a vegetarian chili. And the reason why we call it vegetarian is because I'm using Colby Jack cheese on top. Okay, when you do a vegan chili, that's when you don't use any cheese or any dairy products. So let's get into the ingredients for you, girl. All right, first I'm using some white rice. Then I'm going in with my tomatoes, my onion, and my green peppers. And then I'm using tomato, basil, and garlic, the Good and Gather brand from Target. I'm using some salt for seasoning. I'm using some ground paprika, some chili powder, garlic powder, black pepper, and liquid smoke to give it some extra flavor for the vegan meat. And I am also using some red kidney beans and Colby Jack cheese to put a little punch on top. And for my vegan meat, we are using Impossible meat, and it's made from plants, and it's all vegan, and it's really good and healthy for you. And then I'm adding some Texas toast garlic bread for you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the like button for your girl if you like this video and you want to see more cooking videos from me. Hit the like button for your girl. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell for future videos. And yeah, let's get started. have chili without having cheese. Put a little Kobe Jack cheese inside the chili, okay? Let me know what kind of cheese you guys like to put in your chili. Comment below. Let your girl know what kind of cheese you like to add in your chili, okay? Period. If you like this video and you want to see more, hit that subscribe bell, hit that notification bell for future videos, and then go over to Latanya's channel and watch the replay of her chicken chili. Alright? You know what it is. You already know. Period. There you have it, squad. Here is my finished product of my vegetarian chili with my Kobe Jack cheese, okay? And also with my cheesy garlic toast. If y'all like this, hit that like button for your girls. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell for future videos. And shawties, I'll be back with another one. Thanks for joining us for this collab.